Hello, my name is Arely Guillen. This is OB vlog number 1, and we will be discussing the statement that says happy employees are productive employees. Now, to start off, happy employees measure job satisfaction and productive employees measure performance. First off, there is no linear correlation between job satisfaction and performance. This is a very complex statement, and there are many things that actually contribute to this statement and to what it actually is and how it actually, plays a role. Now, when incorporating organizational citizenship behavior to this statement, it makes the whole complexity about it, a little bit more clear for us. It actually shows a stronger correlation, as one is able to see in one of the readings named 3 Cultures of Management. In this reading, we are able to see the operator culture, the engineer culture, and the executive culture. We are actually able to see how different these 3 cultures are from each other and how they actually bring problems when not understanding each other, when not communicating with each other, and when not validating each other's thoughts. We are able to see that one must learn how to conduct cross-cultural dialogue. This means that in order to not fail, we must understand each other and put ourselves in each other's shoes, as each culture is different and comes from different experiences. Now, the second reading, titled The Relationship Between Satisfaction, Attitudes, and Performance, took us through a study that showcased us the correlation between these 3 things, between satisfaction, attitudes, and performance. It showed us that at an organizational level, these 3 things, represent a stronger correlation rather than at the individual level. So what does at an organizational level represent? This basically reflects the cumulative responses and interactions among employees. This further proves our point in the first reading, stating that all different branches need to communicate and to validate each other's thoughts in order to be productive as an organization rather than as an individual. So based on these 2 readings, it is very likely that organizational rationality and satisfaction go hand in hand, as well as job performance and productivity. Now, what are my thoughts on this? Well, if you were to ask me last week, I would have thought that happy employees are productive employees and that there is a linear equation. However, now that I have analyzed this and connected this to my own experiences, I am able to look back at when working as a team, how do we actually get the work done and how do we actually make sure that it is very well done? Well, it is by understanding each other's experiences, and knowing that we each have a different culture and a different way of thinking, and why oftentimes productivity levels aren't as high as we'd like them to be. So we need to value each other's thoughts and know that this is not always the case, because it is way more difficult than it seems, and this is why oftentimes things just don't work out.